So guys, we are back again with another problem. In today's problem, although it's a easy problem, but it requires something different to it. The problem is a predecessor to buy and sell stock, but there we need to pay a transaction fee in this stock. So in what happens in buy or sell stock is we are given an array of prices of a stock at a particular day. So this is zero, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. So what we need to do is we can either buy a stock or sell a stock on a particular day, and we need to maximize our profit. But there are few points to remember here is you can't sell before buying. That is, short selling is not allowed, and you cannot have two stocks at a time. So that is that you see that one you can, maybe you thought that I can buy at one, again I can buy at two, then I would sell it eight, and then I would sell it nine. You can't do that. uh, and another key point to remember here is you have to pay transaction fees for each transaction, that is buying or selling, and that's it. And this problem is although easy, but I tried a different approach in which I failed. So I had to look up the solution provided by LeetCode itself. And this solution, although is a good solution, but they didn't explain it quite well. So I'll be trying my best to explain it how to do it. So what we need to do here is first we need to understand these two variables. This is hold and this is cash. So what is hold? Holding is when you buy a stock and keep it for yourself, and not for selling it later, not obviously for yourself. So what happens in holding is we every time in holding we face a loss because we are buying something without selling it. And in cash, what happens is cash is basically selling that stock and earning a cash on it. So cash is all time, what do we call it, profit. Not all time, maybe there's some losses, but we won't sell in a loss, or we won't sell in a low price. So what we are going to do here is, this is what if we sold our stock that we bought on that particular day, and this is what if we didn't sold our stock on that particular day. And that is it, this is the whole thing. So let's say that we bought, first we buy a stock on a first day, then we calculate which one is higher, selling the stock that we bought yesterday today with a transaction fee, or the cash that we have in hand, that is zero. If cash is higher, then cash remains cash, otherwise it becomes this price. Then again we go on to hold. So in hold, what is higher, the price, this negative price, or cash minus today's price? So this negative price, let's say, was 8 rupees and today's price is 2 rupees, so 2 rupees is less, so this hold becomes that price. And we do it for the array from I to prices dot length, and at the end we return the cash. And that is it. If you try to do, sorry for that, but yeah, if you try to do this problem on a sample case such as this one, by calculating hold and cash for each time, this problem will be crystal clear for you. And that's it for this problem, guys. The time complexity is clearly n here, because that's just one loop that's running there. And space complexity is 1, because we don't need any extra uh, array. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.